On our screen today, the question we have is a bag contains 4 red balls, 3 white, and 5 green balls. If one ball is picked at random, what is the probability that it is not green? Now, what we are doing today is probability from mathematics, and the formula says number of required outcome all over number of total outcome. So in that question, they told us that the number of red balls we have there are 4. Then white balls, there are how many in color in number? 3. Then lastly, green balls, there are how many in number? They said 5. And these the balls we have red, white, and green. So the total balls we have is what? 4 plus 3, 7 plus 5, 12. So we have 12 balls in total. No, so imagine in a bag we have 12 balls such that 4 are red, 3 are white, 5 are green. Then they asked us, what is the probability that it is not green? That's when one ball is picked at random. If you just dip your hand and pick any ball, now what is the probability that it is not green? Now, it should interest you to know, or you already know, that probability cannot be greater than 1 or even less than 0. Does it make sense? So there is no time you can get, it's just like chances happen. Now, in probability, you cannot say something like 1.1. It's just like for something to occur, if something is very sure, if you are certain that this thing will occur, then it is 100%. Now, if it will not occur, if it can never occur, there's a chance of a man getting pregnant. Do you understand? That's actually 0. If it does not occur, or if it cannot occur, that's actually what? 0. Does it make sense? So in probability, we actually take the number of the required outcome over the total outcome. Now, since they say that a ball is picked at random, what is the probability that it is not green? Now, let me ask you, what is the probability that it is green? For getting the probability that it is not green. Now, probability that something will occur plus probability that something will not occur will definitely be 1. If you add them, it will definitely give you 1. Does it make sense? So, and we are trying to get the probability that it is not green. That if you pick, you can never get green. That's what it says. Now, I have to get the probability that it will be green. Then I have to minus from 1. So, probability that it will be green, probability of green color, getting a green ball, is actually number of required outcome. Green, there are 5 in number, 5 all over how many balls? Number of total outcome, 12. So probability of me getting a green is 5 over 12. Now I have the probability that it will occur, that I will get green, is 5 over 12 plus probability that it will not occur, which I'm looking for, y, is equals 1. Does it make sense? So collect items, this should go over here. So I have y is equals 1 minus 5 over 12. And that will give me 7 over 12. This is the probability that when the ball is picked, when one ball is picked as random, it can never be what? Green. I hope you understand something. Have a nice day. Like, comment, share, and follow Coaches Academy. Bye bye.